In this video, literally, I'm going to show you something almost magical. One, I'm going to reveal our creative building process, how we come up with the creatives, what are the exact steps we follow. And at the same time, I'm going to show you how you can use AI nowadays to have the full creative agency available 24/7 on your computer. So how the process starts is with the first step, which is context. Whether you are working with a creative agency, in-house designing team, in most cases nowadays, you are using any AI tool, context is very important. For this entire video, I'll be using Superscale. It's the first AI agent I have found that's actually built for professional paid social. And I'll show you all the steps for creative production in Superscale. So for the AI agent in Superscale, what we do is, please help me create a new brand in my workspace. I'll be happy to do that. Can you please tell me about your business? In this case, we provide a URL or app name. For this case, I'm using Uber Eats as a client. I have worked extensively on Talabat, which is a direct competitor to Uber Eats. So I exactly know what works, what doesn't work. Food and grocery, this is the one. And then it took few minutes and it basically understood the brand, does everything. It checks their app, their ratings, their feedback. If you're working with a designer, you will have to provide them this app and ask them to download and see their website and all of that. Here, the AI agent is doing that. That's the only difference. But the good thing here is it automatically picked up the brand colors, etc. So our agent is almost 60% trained on our business. If you are using any kind of AI tool, you have to aim that you provide the whole context. So I can click on here and see what else I can provide. It already has this information, the languages, the brand colors, even the competitors. Now what I can do here is I can select more. It basically picked up all of them, but if it's missing anything, you could just go here and search. And then it also has other information like, the description and all, it picked up from the app, all the reviews. This is important because nowadays, a lot of companies are doing review creative, showing the reviews. And then you can add some documents, like if you have a company OS or any kind of other details you want to provide. Now, I will consider here that we have most of the information. So the first step is done, which is context. Now, this leads us to our second most important step, which is understanding the market research, and our competitor research. The easiest tool, if you're doing it manually, is Facebook ad library. I'll select United Arab Emirates, all Talabat, all of the competitors. Now it will show me all the ads Talabat has been running. The first trick is you go here, you see since when is it running. Now this ad is running since September 18, 2025. That means it's been working for them. You go through all the library and pick up these for all the competitors. We have this one sorted. So in Superscale, so my prompt was research my competitors, create winning ad concepts, and produce ready to launch creatives for a full campaign. Now it took some time for this. Great, let's build full funnel campaign for Uber Eats. First, it researched the top food delivery competitor ads. For all the competitors, it will show you what are their ads, what are the best performing ads in one go. The good thing is you don't have to manually go and learn and take information and then use it. It automatically does all of that. So for example, for delivery promotion campaign ads, it's saying these are the best performing ads. It even gives a score. So running for 47 days, 58 variations, indicating strong performance. You can directly replicate here and create it for your brand, but we are not in a hurry. We are doing it stepwise. Now it's telling you what is the learning, what are the formats it thinks the best performing ads are from. It will also give you something here as an output, which is the complete research if you want to go through it. So Uber Eats campaign, competitive analysis and creative strategy. It gives you all the information. Like it used to take days before, to be honest. What is the offer they are using? Offer is very important as well. Then it will show you occasional based messaging outperforms generic promos. Food hero photography is visual winner. Fake UI notification style emerging. Yes, we used to say your lunch is on the way. I have personally tried this and this used to do good. Anyways, information, and then it gives you a sample creative as well based on all the research. These are the three it thinks we should go ahead with. If you like it, you can just say, okay, now I want all these sizes. Click here, it will give you 9:16, whichever size you need. In most cases, we even go deeper into the creative research and explore more use cases for research part. And that's when the prompt library in Superscale is super helpful. Now tell me what are the best hook patterns, right? Which work in this industry. Then we say, okay, can you give a CTA intelligence report, comment section mining, emotional and positioning reverse engineering. We do all of that. We did kind of generic analysis. Now we can deep dive into each of these. It gives you an understanding of what is working in the market, what is working for the competitors, and it gives you ideas how you should look at your creative strategy. Now, this leads us to our third step. That's what we do after we do all this. So I'll write, based on the research, come up with 4 ad angles we can use. Context, summer started in UAE, and we have a promo campaign. For existing users, free delivery for 5 orders every month. For new users, AD 30 off on first 3 orders. It's still researching. This is one thing I like about Superscale, that you can do all of this and it keeps the context, and then until you have the finished creative, whether it's video or static, you don't need to switch windows or anything. All of this is done with one agent here in Superscale. Okay, so I had to wait for a while, and this is what we have got. Superscale agent says, I'll research what's currently working in food delivery advertising, especially UAE summer context, and it's giving me all the ads which are relevant to this context. It came up with these 3 angles: too hot to cook, summer survival hook, visual direction, hook type. I went through all of these. They're all very good. Like a very good creative agency would do that. The free delivery stack is the second angle, and then it gave me the third angle, first bite free, which I liked the most, and the fourth angle was summer sorted. So what I said is, I like the angle 3. Can you come up with 5 variations of each ad in with the different food? Starbucks, they are very good. Like if you have ever worked in food delivery app business, you would know that how good they are. All I said is Costa Coffee, McDonald's fries, and lime cooler drink and all. See the branding, it's so accurate. Like, see the Starbucks, I didn't provide any logo, nothing. If I like it, I can save it to library, download, or I can attach to chat and say, okay, make this font different, make this color different, or whatever. The most amazing thing here I like is generate ad copy. Now, if you click on generate ad copy, whether you're using it on Meta or Google, I can click on Meta. It gave us 5 options for primary text. Your favorite local coffee and snacks delivered straight to your door with Uber Eats. Headlines, these 5 options, descriptions. My next prompt here is create the same creatives in Arabic, and exactly same creatives with Arabic, and the Arabic is accurate. I didn't stop here. From all the ads it provided me above from the competitors, I clicked on this one and I said, replicate this ad 5 times for my product with above elements. And it just took again a minute. It copied the style. Then I didn't stop here. I said, okay, generate a video variation for the summer promo angle. It said, okay, this is what I'm going to do. Can you tell me how the video should look like? I said, lifestyle with voiceover. It gives you options, or you can say, okay, this is how I want it. I selected one of the options, lifestyle with voiceover. Then it asked me which language. I said English. Okay, which offer do you want to focus on? Okay, which model do you like? I selected one. Okay, now it's asking me keep default look or customize the scene. I can say, okay, show her in front of the Burj Khalifa or whatever. And here we have the video.
Okay, so summer in Dubai hits different. It's literally 50 degrees outside right now.
It automatically generated the script. I could have said, okay, I want this in the script, that in the script. Next magic. Once she mentions the 30% discount, can you show the static ad in the background? And then it gave me another video. It's the same. She's walking so and there is background. You can click on open in video editor and make changes. Like if you have a video editor, they can come back and they can make changes to whatever you want, add captions and add music, whatever you want. With that, we have a full campaign here. And I could say like create 10 more variations. And I didn't upload a single thing, imagine. And if you go to prompt library, you have so many ideas there. Like, okay, for creative analysis or trend analysis, improve your agent, come up with a viral hook, show me 3 options, then insert this viral hook. There's so much more we do here. So what I want you to understand is this is the exact process we used to do before the AI tools and AI agents, but it used to take a lot of human resources, a lot of brainstorming. Now it's the same process, but in one flow. Like all of this can be done in 2 hours. And that leads us to our last step, which is creative analysis and kill scale mechanism. We go to integrations. For each of our clients, we have a different account and we integrate their Meta ads, Google ads, TikTok ads, even Instagram, and all of these are showing coming soon. Once you connect that, then you can go back here and start a new chat, say, analyze last 30-day performance of my ads and see what are the best 5 performing creatives, statics, videos, which ones generated the highest conversions, which ones have the lowest cost per conversion, which ones have the highest CTR, and based on those, come up with more variations. It will tell you why it's working, what does it suggest as new variations, then you can produce static videos. So I hope with our workflow, you learned something new. If you want to try super scale specifically, I'll put a link in the description below. And that's all for this video. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one.